God.
Alright cousins, if you rock with me over on Instagram, which you should, then this is probably the very first wig video that was like highly requested. Like, you guys were pushing me to go ahead and get this video out for you guys. So if you don't follow me over on Instagram, you definitely are missing a good time. I got on Instagram Live and I essentially made this wig on live on camera with the Instagram cousins, and the live went off before I could finish it. So you know, you guys have been patiently waiting for me to show you guys the final results. So this is what it looks like. I will leave all the specific details on this hair in the description box, but only two things you really need to know about this hair. Number one, this hair is from Julia hair, and number two, this hair is hella long. Okay, besides that, to lay my unit, you guys can see all I did was use the got to be glued method, and I just laid it right in front of my hairline. Let me tell you something, I made this wig and she is luxurious, and this hair is pop. Listen. And now I'm just gonna part my hair. I'm gonna wear a side part. I know you guys like prefer when I go ahead and part my units, and I wanted to show you guys that this unit looked very natural. I did bleach my knots. You guys know I typically don't, but I decided to go ahead and bleach them, and I'll leave everything I bleached them with in the description box as well. And all I did was lay it with the got to be glued, and then I'm just going to lay it down overnight. And then I'm gonna come and just show you guys how this hair curls. I like to wear it in like soft curls, especially because this hair, like I said, this hair was like 24 inches. So I want to take advantage of like the longest hair I've had like ever worn. So I wanted to still kind of like keep the length, but just get like some soft waves in it. And I just wanted to show you guys that this hair curls beautifully. This wig looks super natural in my opinion. You guys of course will let me know in the comment section if I'm tripping, but this wig looks super natural at the hairline to me. And I really loved it. This wig has no tangles. Like, I fell so in love with this wig, y'all, that I am continuing to push wash day back, like, just to wear this wig. So this is the winner. This is the one, y'all. It's the one. You the one, girl. This the one. We've been looking for birthday hair. This is it. This is it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Of course, it will be some natural hair. So like, comment, subscribe, become a cousin. Love you guys. Bye.
Fucking happy you're alive. Yeah. Swear to God I'm down. If you down, all you gotta say is right. I'm vegetarian. Oh, right. Well, we could get half pepperoni and half of whatever you like. Ew. I can't have that shit in the same box. Seriously?